Imagine you've just come up with the next big thing. Product so innovative, so desirable, that you know it'll fly off the shelves. But where do you start? How do you turn your idea into a thriving online store? Two popular platforms often come up in the conversation: Shopify and Alidropship. But which one is the right fit for you? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Shopify. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that empowers businesses of all sizes to set up and manage their online stores. Think of it as a digital storefront. You can customize the design, add products, process payments, and manage shipping. One of the biggest advantages of Shopify is its flexibility. It offers a wide range of features and integrations, allowing you to tailor your store to your specific needs. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or physical goods, Shopify has you covered. Key features of Shopify include customizable themes, product management tools, payment processing, shipping and fulfillment options, marketing and SEO features. Understanding Alidropship. Alidropship, on the other hand, is a dropshipping solution specifically designed for those looking to sell products from AliExpress. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier like AliExpress and have it shipped directly to the customer. Alidropship streamlines this process by providing a plugin that integrates with your WordPress website. With Alidropship, you can easily import products from AliExpress, set your own prices, and manage orders. Key features of Alidropship include product import from AliExpress, price customization, order management, shipping tracking, integration with WordPress. Shopify versus Alidropship. A comparison. Now that we have a basic understanding of both platforms, let's compare them side by side. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. Cost. Shopify offers a variety of pricing plans, ranging from basic to advanced. Alidropship offers a one-time fee for the plugin, but you'll still need to pay for your WordPress hosting and domain. Features. Shopify offers a wider range of features, making it more suitable for businesses of all sizes. Alidropship is primarily focused on dropshipping from AliExpress. Ease of use. Both platforms are relatively easy to use, but Shopify may have a slightly steeper learning curve due to its broader range of features. Flexibility. Shopify is highly flexible, allowing you to customize your store in many ways. Alidropship is more limited in terms of customization. Choosing the right platform for you. So, which platform is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're looking for a comprehensive e-commerce solution with a wide range of features and flexibility, Shopify is a great choice. However, if you're primarily interested in dropshipping products from AliExpress and want a simpler solution, Alidropship may be a better fit. Consider the following factors when making your decision: your budget, your product range, your level of technical expertise, your long-term goals. In conclusion, both Shopify and Alidropship offer valuable tools for building and managing an online store. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. By carefully considering the factors we've discussed, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that will help you achieve your e-commerce goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.